guys, it's Leah and hey. Yeah, you can see there's a big storm back here.
Ooh.
That's just beautiful back there. And there also is a big storm.
Told you hot
You
potato.
can look in there. Okay. You can look
Hot potato.
and all that. It's a big storm. You can capture it. Shan.
Show Minnie.
Hey, Mickey.
This is my baby. Show her. This is her. The baby. Oh, you just missed a big lightning.
I did.
Yeah.
It's like
Look, it's pouring over there.
pouring where?
Coming out of the clouds.
Oh my. It's getting darker and darker. Like,
Minnie,
it's
get the
just
ball.
crazy.
Show her the ball.
Go get it.
Get it. Get it.
Because you should see that.
Yeah, it's really dark. It's really not dark on the
wow,
camera, but
look
it's
how
really
it got
dark.
now.
I know, that's what I said.
It's really dark, but it's not really dark on the camera.
It's like
for some
pouring
reason.
back there and like.
Turn them on our side.
Like it's rolling this way.
It looks,
Minnie.
oh my gosh,
Minnie.
so dark. Like lighter and all that.
They are used to coming in
Yeah.
or going out to get
Huh, puppy?
Natalie, Olivia, hold on. Mickey, come here.
Come here, Mickey.
Come here, Mama.
Well,
I'm gonna.
I guess I will,
Put Minnie in the
bye.